Hi, I'm Bryce from CPAP Direct. In this video, I'm going to cover the 5 things that you need to know about the Fisher & Paykel Evora full face mask. This is Fisher & Paykel's latest and most advanced full face mask offering, and it is ideal for anyone that's a full face mask user, but also for people that are nasal mask users as well that need a backup mask. I'm always a big fan of using a full face mask or having a full face mask as a backup mask for those times when you have nasal congestion or a cold or the flu or COVID, or anytime you need to use your CPAP machine because you're reliant on it, but you can't use your nose because of nasal congestion in some way, shape or form. Apart from being a really well-designed mask, another reason why I think this is a great option is because it comes as a fit pack. That means that the small, medium and large mask cushions come in the same pack. So it's basically, it fits all sizes and you don't need to think about it. You just grab the pack and make sure you follow the instructions to find the right cushion for you. So from that perspective, it's a great set and forget mask. You don't have to worry about trying on cushions and returning it because it's not the right size. All right, so here are the 5 things you need to know about the Evora full mask. Number 5, use the app. When you first get the Evora full mask, it comes in a packet like this. And on the outside of it, there is a QR code. If you get out your mobile phone and scan that QR code, you can download the My Mask app by Fisher & Paykel. It covers all of their masks, and it's a really good tool for teaching you exactly what you need to know in order to get the most out of the mask. In fact, I could just do this video by playing all the videos that are on this app. It is that good, it is sensational, and it's probably the first place you need to start from there. So download the app, follow the videos, make sure you get the most out of the mask. Number 4, find the right size cushion. When you first get the mask, there's 3 different sizes of cushions in the pack itself. So it's about finding the one that's got the right size for you. This is an under the nose style of mask. What that means is it's not a big cumbersome mask that sits over your face completely. It sits underneath the nose, like that. There's a decent size hole there for your nose. It hugs the nostrils really well, and there's also a really nice generous area as a cup there for your mouth as well, so you can breathe through your nose or your mouth, and it's really minimalistic. You can actually even wear your glasses while wearing this mask as well. Front air delivery, which means that the air is delivered directly to the cushion. It's not coming from elsewhere, so you don't lose any efficiency in the air as it gets to your mouth and nose. So using the 3 different sizes of masks, find the one that feels the most comfortable on your face, as at the end of the day, a mask guide can tell you what it thinks is the right size for you. However, it all depends on how it's going to feel as far as what your success rate is going to be with it. So try out all different sizes of mask cushion and decide which one fits best for you. Number 3, keep it loose. This is probably the most important part of getting it right as far as the Evora full mask goes. People that have tried the mask and not stuck with it have often had it way too tight, and it's really easy to do because we feel, especially with high pressures, that we need to have it tight. This mask is designed to be worn really loose. You want to have it as loose as you possibly can so you don't get excessive mask leak, but it's designed to be super buoyant on your face. And the mastery in this design of this mask is that it can be super loose and still retain a really good seal, as long as you have the mask straps adjusted the right way and you have the right size cushion. So you need to play around with it and make sure that you wear it as loose as you possibly can, and nip it up where you need to, but keep it as loose as you possibly can. Number 2, how to adjust the mask. When you put on the mask, start with the mask cushion first and then bring the headgear over your head. The best place to adjust the mask is in bed while you're lying on your back. Start with the bottom straps, make sure that they're nice and loose but they fit snug, then the top upper straps, and then finally the straps on the crown. When you are adjusting all 3, you'll find that the mask will sit differently as far as the camber goes on your face. You want to make sure that you adjust both sides at the same time, so that way you end up with a nice even fit. So you don't want to have one side tighter than the other, because then you're going to end up with mask leak, air leak, blowout sort of here and there. So super important to make sure the mask sits symmetrically on your face, really nice and loose, but a little bit snug, and ensure that you use the top crown strap as well, so that you can get the straps going around your ears and have it sitting nice and in the right position. You'll have more info on that by looking at the videos on the My Mask app by Fisher & Paykel, which you can download off the QR code on the packet. Number 1. This is the most important thing to know about the Evora full face mask. Give it time. At least 3.5 weeks. Yes, the mask comes with a 30-day sure fit guarantee, which is available through all CPAP Direct stores. Most people that give up on this mask do it way too soon, and they miss the whole point of the benefits of this mask. If you buy a new pair of shoes, it takes a while for your body to get used to them and to wear the shoes in. The mask is no different, especially this one. Because of its design, it sits in a different spot on your face to what most people are used to. It's gonna feel uncomfortable to start off with. You need to give it at least 3 weeks for you to get used to the mask and for the mask to wear into your face as well. I promise you, if you keep it nice and loose and you follow the instructions, you'll think this mask is a phenomenal mask once you wear into it and it wears into you. If you have any questions or you want to talk to the crew, by all means hit us up on our website, cpap.com.au, or go to any CPAP Direct store or call our support line.